In this video, we will discuss how to export data from your app. You can go into any table component in the page builder and select the Options tab. By enabling exports, you will add an export button to the table, which will allow you to export all the fields in the table exactly as they are. You might, however, want to streamline or customize exports based on specific criteria. For example, export all jobs where the status is active and list them in the order of the date created. This can all be accomplished by creating export templates. When inside a data table, you can create export templates from the Exports tab. After selecting Add New, you can name the template and then choose which fields to include in the export template. You can also give new column headings to the exported fields. Additionally, you can add a condition when exporting. For example, you might want to only export records with the status of active. Finally, you can set the order of the exported records by changing the sort by. Now that you have created an export template, you can go into the table component. Under the Options tab, add the template you created. Now your users can select the template they wish to use and export the predefined data.